Hello, how are you?
Oh, good. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for your speech and that the presentation was awesome. Could you please introduce yourself to us?
Yeah, my name is Mathew Sweezey. I'm Principal of Marketing Insights at Salesforce.
So, Salesforce, most of us are using Salesforce. I just would like to ask you a question with your experience in the Salesforce and all the other stuff. So, what would you advise to the employees to be able to use big data or small data in their daily lives and operations?
Yeah, I think one of the big keys to understanding data is just understanding what we have to do with it and what its use is. So really data can come from anywhere, but when we use it, we have to understand that it's not a targeting parameter. We have to use it because consumers are giving us access to it. We must give them some kind of value back in exchange. And that value really needs to be a better experience. So if you're not using that data at whatever size that you have to create a better experience, you're probably not using it well.
So, okay, you mentioned chat box in your presentation. So let's say that I also suggest that or agree that chat box is a really useful thing, but I just would like to take initiative. And so what kind of leadership characteristics or things to do to be able to push it in the organization?
Yeah, so something like chatbots, a lot of marketing technologies, an increased budget is going to be needed. So our leadership team really has to have the ability to understand that marketing really is something very different than it used to be. It's a completely new job, it's a completely new discipline, and they really must understand that marketing is now the highest revenue driver of their organization, not the product. And that's the number one thing we find is the difference between high-performing marketing organizations and everyone else.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.